Well, you can't beat the weather in New Mexico, but it can affect the appearance of our skin, causing wrinkles and fine lines and, of course, some damage. But the team at Bair Medical Spa has a remedy for that: Matrix RF Fractional Skin Resurfacing Treatment. And Kristie Bair and Dr. Dean Bair join us with all the details. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
No bending over backwards to be Matrix here, right?
That's
this
right.
is a totally
That's
different
right.
kind of Matrix. So what is the Matrix RF treatment?
Well, let me explain it like this.
Okay.
Aging skin is skin that is chronically damaged, chronically injured, but never heals itself. If you have an acute injury, you have a scrape, that triggers the skin to heal itself, but aging skin just keeps on getting thinner, more wrinkled, and so Matrix RF creates tiny little zones of heated skin that stimulates that healing process, so it becomes younger skin.
Wow. To think that that really can be done. I was joking before. I asked Liliane Montevecchi what she does for that beautiful skin. She said she drinks a lot of wine. Clearly that's not going to work for all of us. This is actually a really great thing. And in addition to making your skin look younger, I know one of the things that I thought was really great is that it actually is supposed to improve acne scars and also stretch marks.
It certainly improves acne scars. Stretch marks, somewhat.
Somewhat.
That's a difficult thing to improve.
Is it? It's a tough thing. But at least to know that there's a possibility to make it a little bit better.
Yes.
Right.
And so then when we talk about acne scars, I mean, we're talking a lot of times teenagers, they go through that stage in life, then they go to college and their skin improves, but they've got those scars. So this is something that could be done for any age?
Yes.
Okay.
You're going to regrow tissue. That's you know exactly what's happening. You're injuring that tissue with those heated zones. So those cells regenerate themselves. You're growing the new tissue, and so those little divots from acne scars fill in.
That's amazing. How about like chickenpox marks or things like that too? Good to know. I have to store this one. Okay. Now, is this treatment something that would be suitable for somebody who just wants smoother skin in general?
Yes.
It is?
Yes. It's going to improve tone and texture.
Oh, my goodness. I mean, it sounds like it's a win-win in every way. So I have to ask the question I always ask, is it painful?
No. It can be uncomfortable.
Okay.
Again, we apply numbing cream. We have a chiller that blows cold air on while you're being treated.
Okay.
And we can modify the settings as well, so it's as comfortable as you tolerate.
So you can say, I can only tolerate it this far, don't go any more.
Right,
exactly. Okay, that's this point. Okay, so then, how long does the actual process take then, once they come in and they decide they want to do this?
Well, we put numbing cream on. The numbing cream's going to sit on there for about 45 minutes.
Okay.
And then the treatment's going to take about 45 minutes.
So, just about less than 2 hours.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's not that bad at all.
Right.
And
no,
then,
for new skin.
Yeah, for new skin. I'm really getting excited about this one, actually. I'm going to look at my calendar book after this show. I mean, what are the results that we can expect realistically?
Seriously, your skin is going to look about 5 years younger.
Really?
It's going to look like it did 5 years ago. When I first had this done, because you're going to grow this tissue over a period of several months.
Okay.
It's going to. I had this first treatment.
Yeah.
Kind of forgot about it, and 3 weeks later, in that third week, 4 different people said to me, "What are you using on your skin?" And it suddenly occurred to me, by 3 weeks, that new tissue was starting to show.
Isn't that the best feeling? And for you too, because you know you're doing something so great. You know, we hear a lot in the media, we've talked about this, of things about like Fraxel and things like that. So what would you say would be the biggest difference then between Fraxel and the Matrix RF?
They use different types of energy. Fraxel uses laser to create those heated zones, but that is absorbed on the surface more than the Matrix, which uses radio frequency, that heats more deeply. So we're getting more irritation on the surface with the Fraxel, better tightening with the Matrix RF.
Okay.
More downtime with Fraxel, less downtime for the Matrix.
Speaking of which, what is the downtime?
You're going to look like you've had a sunburn the day of and the day after.
Okay.
Some people get some swelling around their eyes. I didn't, but some people do. But you can put makeup on. I mean,
so you can wear makeup after you do this. So if you leave the office and you go home and then the next morning you have to go to work, you can still do your normal routine.
Exactly.
That's a relief. That's good. How many treatment sessions would be required then so that we can actually see the long-lasting results we want to see?
We recommend 2.
2 altogether?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've had 1 a year over the last couple of years.
Oh, that's not bad.
But yeah, we recommend 2.
So then over
apart.
a period of years, you'll want to keep going. And I actually want to tell you that we do have some pictures to show our viewers. So I want to take a look because I think before and afters are always so effective. Let's take a look at, wow, oh my gosh, look how much smoother that skin is on the right.
And you see improved tone.
Oh yeah, she looks much younger. Oh my, you're right. It does. It removes at least 5 years.
The fine lines around her eyes and the,
And it looks like her skin was lifted, even though it really wasn't technically,
well,
right?
except part of what the aging skin is, it's drooping. If you're growing new tissue, then you're filling that back in.
Right, and of course the eyes, you can see the biggest difference in the eyes. And we're look at the difference in that.
Those are Kristie's eyes.
Yes. I didn't know if you wanted me to say it, but I know it is.
Thanks.
And look at the difference. I mean, it's incredible. And also even the brightness in the skin, not just the texture, right?
Right.
And
because again, it's new skin.
Yeah.
It's new cells.
Gosh, to think that back in older days, to think that we could have newer skin.
And here's acne scars.
This is a young girl. She was getting married. She wanted to get rid of those scars before her wedding.
That's wonderful.
So she had 2 treatments.
So this is something that any age group going through lots of different things, everything from the aging process to acne scars, could be, really enjoy this and have a lot of success from. And I want our viewers to know how they can reach you for more information and to be able to schedule a treatment.
They can reach us at 881-1532 or bairmedicalspa.com.
And it's very easy to find. Thank you both so much.
Thank you.
So I'll lay off the wine and maybe come in for Matrix RF instead. And still ahead on New Mexico Style, we'll find out what's cooking at the Santa Fe School.